Good morning, good morning, good morning. January 31st, 2024. Alexa, turn the fan off. 3:37 a.m. January 31, 2024 is our timestamp. We have another massive explosion on our Rara Coco private Discord. GHSI. GHSI exploded. Okay. It is exploding and exploding and exploding. The volume scanner was buzzing, so I did send an alert to all my private Discord subscribers. An early alert was sent and the stock exploded. Take a look at that. The stock exploded to 140%. Exploded to 140%. Unbelievable. Congratulations. Okay, so this is pre-market and the stock is already exploding. So these are the stock to watch today. SINT. Take a look at that stock. See if you want to invest on this one. It is up 53% on my private Discord. SINT. Take a look at that. See if you want to invest on this stock. Next one is LYT. LYT is exploding. It's up 30%. LYT is up 30%. Take a look to see if you want to invest on that one. Another one is AGFY. AGFY. This is hot stock. Take a look to see if you want to invest on that specific stock. The other one is CYN. CYN is a multi-Kaboom and it's been exploding. CYN, it's been a multi-Kaboom. Take a look to see if you want to invest on that one. This one is multi-Kaboom, RVSN. It's been exploding. It will tank and then explode. It will tank and then explode. So RVSN is another hot stock. Take a look to see if you want to invest on RVSN. Okay? Take a look at that. See if you want to invest on that one. The other one that's also doing good is PXLW. PXLW. Hot stock. Take a look at that stock. See if you want to invest on that one. This is another stock that has a potential versus system. Take a look to see if you want to invest on this stock. Start your due diligence. My name is Rara Coco. Good morning, world. You are watching Finance News. An update, I'm a stock hunter 24/7. And see if you want to invest on all of this stock. Okay, so our winner chicken dinner for today so far is GHSI. GHSI is the winner chicken dinner. It's been exploding pre-market today. Congratulations. You know, early bird catches the worm, right? So this stock has been exploding and you heard it first at the Rara Coco Finance News. The Stock Hunter 24/7 sends alert directly to YouTubers, other Discord, other individuals around the world. They get my alert directly on their cell phone. Thank you very much and talk to you later. Bye bye.